the full world, everybody should, criticize the Burma government, the Burma which is now Myanmar, to stop that killing, prostitution. 3 lakh people have been displaced from Burma and they've come to Bangladesh and all those countries. So that killing should stop and every full world should condemn them and, help the Rohingya Muslims which are really in a bad state. Should do something for them.
Any representation to the Indian government from your side?
Indian government, they are thinking of planning to deport those 40,000-50,000 Rohingyas. So my request is not to deport them, just at least till the till the war and all, everything is situation normal ज़्यादा देना पड़े माचे deport करना का. Once everything is normal and all, then we can think. But now when there is killing and murders and all going on, we should not deport them. We should keep them in India, at least till the situation becomes normal. The Rohingya Muslims who are being persecuted and killed in Burma by the government, he must to show our solidarity कि आम्ही तुमच्या वांगडा आसा and we are with you, and just to get the world notice and Indian government also notice that we Muslims of Goa, we feel for them and like you should do something to help them. That is why this is the rally घेतला आम्ही ते.